Hello. We go back to the Accra Mall where I introduced to you a brand made in South Africa. Another manifestation of Ghana's growing reputation as a favorable destination for trade and commerce. Welcome to Mr. Price.
Mr. Price is part of the Mr. Price Group. The Mr. Price Group actually originates from South Africa. It's based on many different brands. At the moment in Ghana, we only have Mr. Price, but we do have Mr. Price Home, we have Miller Days, we have Mr. Price Sports.
Mr. Price Ghana started on the 27th of February 2008. Currently, we have a staff strength of 60. Mr. Price stocks items ranging from children to adult. We have formal wear, swimwear, casual, we have kids, and we have toddlers, shoes for ladies and men. So as I'm saying, Mr. Price actually is a one-stop shop for any Ghanaian. And whatever you're looking for, you can find in Mr. Price.
They say variety is the spice of life. The addition of Mr. Price to the Ghanaian clothing landscape definitely adds another dimension.
What's unique about the Mr. Price in Ghana is actually it's a franchise. When I mean a franchise, I mean that it's still part of the group in the sense of we stock the same things as South Africa and across Africa. We also have the same procedures. All the retail marketing that you see is exactly like South Africa, but we have people on ground here in Ghana who execute these daily things. So we have two franchise partners which are Ghanaian, and we are in charge of making sure that we execute the Mr. Price brand to their procedures and to their standards.
They say competition leads to higher quality, improved services, and reduced prices.
Mr. Price is a high fashionable store. Our prices are very competitive. We have very beautiful clothing, and the fabrics and textures of the attires are par excellence. Mr. Price, I would say, is the #1 store in Ghana now, and I would advise everybody to have the Mr. Price feeling. Mr. Price is one of the kind in Ghana as of now. We have so many customers because of our wide range of items that we have in Mr. Price. We have customers coming in and going out. We've experienced some customers complaining about the sizing, which we are doing everything about it as of now because Ghanaians love to shop, and we are grateful for the success Ghanaians are helping make Mr. Price in Ghana.
At the moment, we want to start with Accra and make sure that we can reach to all areas in Accra, and then we will then look beyond Accra, Kumasi and so forth, where we can make sure that all Ghanaians can actually get the Mr. Price experience that the people around the Accra Mall are getting right now.
Mr. Price for the trendy, cosmopolitan dresser looking for a good bargain.
For anybody who's watching and has not yet had the experience of Mr. Price, I strongly advise you to come here. You'll be pleasantly surprised. You can pick up all sorts of things here, from evening wear to day wear, something for work. We hope to see you here and the Mr. Price team.
This is Mr. Price, and we're trying to do some little shopping right now. I'm here with my nigga Ken.